Going into a night base, descending spin. Got 3 turns out of it on that one. He's accumulated over 25,000.
August 10th to August 17th, Michael Bristol Jr., 22. Janelle S.P., 23. Michael S., that was right, Heiser, 22 from Basel. Michael Esposito, 22 from Brentford. Kevin Holmes, 23 from Hicksville. Nathan Brockenthal, 24 from Smithtown. Ronald Winton, 25 from Rockville Center. John Edgelin, 45. East North.
Wee, 25. Jeremy M. Kane, 22. Daniel M. Angus, 28. Timothy J. Poole, 22. 29. Thaddeus S. Carlos E. Gill, 25. Eric G. Curria, 21.
Comes down to 45, snap roll into the action position. One of the smallest ones you'll ever see in your life. Let's give it up for Mr. Kirby Chambliss. Bethpage Federal Credit Union Air Show right after Air National Guard. His colonel is, I'll get this right.
Brandon A. Owen, 21. Aaron M. Smith, 25. Thomas D. Frabjohn, 39. Michael A. Rogers, 23. Martin of Tours, conscientious objector. Francis of Assisi, lover and protector of all creation. Presente. Gandhi, the Mahatma, non-violent warrior.
You might want to take your little slippers off and they will fly off. Are you sure? All the way up and hold it. All the way up and hold it. All the way down and hold it.